Come here, little guy. Come here, little guy. See ya. There's a good one. There's a good one from down deep. There's a good one. At least a good start to this morning, finally. Yeah, quality. There's a big old quality largemouth. Alright, good fish. See ya. Oh, pulled him right off that bed. Okay. Pulled you right off that bed. Here, let me put you back. Oh. Ouch, don't stick me. There you go. Ooh, got another one. Got another one. Come on up. I'll get you back in the water. Right. Thanks, buddy. Got him. He came out and got it. That was so cool. Swam all the way up under that dock and came out there and killed it. Yeah. Alright, that's still fun. Gosh, he came out from that dock, swam underneath the ladder. Oh, there's the other one. Swam into the rocks, saw me pop it free, and then killed it. So cool. Not even the fish I was looking for. Oh, I got her. Oh, I got a different one. Ah, I thought I had her. Got a little smallie. Come here, buddy. Damn, thought that was that big largemouth. That could be a giant largemouth or a big smallmouth. Big smallmouth. Oh, that's a big smallmouth. He's definitely worthy of the net. Oh, hell yeah, he is. Golly! Phew! Take that, pig. Bang! Smallmouth. Ooh! Smallmouth. There you go. Good release. Oh my gosh, it's a giant rock bass.